So hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you about something which I feel is very important for preparing for any competitive exams. CAT of course, yes, but also for any other competitive exams. And as you know, I've cracked the CAT 21 times, multiple times 99.9 plus percentile, 99.99 has been my highest 3 times and so on. And I often ask my students this question, and if you're preparing for CAT 23, CAT 24 or any other top aptitude exam specifically, I often ask this question to people. What do you think? People like me, people who get the 100 percentile, when we are solving questions inside the exam, don't we have doubts? Do we have doubts or not? So the answer to that is actually our problem solving is riddled with doubts on every step. I'm solving a verbal ability question, I'm solving a reading comprehension question, I'm solving a parajumble question, I'm solving a data interpretation set, I'm solving a logical reasoning question, I'm solving a quantitative aptitude question on functions or time speed distance, or you name the chapter. Every step you keep questioning yourself, what am I doing? Is it the right thing to do? And many times you're sure of what you're doing. A lot of times you're not so sure about what you need to do next, specifically in data interpretation, logical reasoning these days. Even those of you giving CSAT, for you also this is very important. So why I'm telling you this is because of the fact that what makes us different, if you look at a 99.97, 98, 99 percentile in CAT against a 99 percentile, CAT mein 99 percentile happens at 85 marks, 90 marks, depending on the difficulty level of the paper. 99.99 happens at 130, 140 marks, which means people like us, we're able to cross the 90 mark, the 99 percentile value in around 80 minutes. So why are we able to do that? And this is very important for you to understand in order for you to prepare the correct preparation strategy for your attempt at any competitive exam. The reason is when we are solving these questions in problem solving situations, the doubt comes into our minds. Definitely it does come. We have, as I said, we are riddled with doubts. Only the fool has no doubts. And the superiority in the solving is because there's a very strong doubt resolution mechanism which you have built through your preparation or through your analysis of those question types. So why I'm telling you this is because majority of the students who prepare for these exams, what they do is they run after doubt clearing. कि जैसे ही कोई doubt होगा मेरे को, during my preparation, I want somebody to tell me how to solve the question. There's a question in data interpretation, there's a question in logical reasoning, there's a question in quants, there's a question in comprehension. I want to run to a teacher, I want to run to a friend who's better than me, and I want to ask him this question, what should I do inside this situation? And when you do that, what you do, you of course get to know what to do in the question, but what damage you do to yourself is that you lose out on the development of the doubt resolution mechanism. So a student who's prepared this way during the year, when he or she goes into the actual competitive scenario in the exam, and there's a doubt that comes into his mind, you're doing a reading comprehension question and you're riddled with doubt between two options, you've actually not built that doubt resolution mechanism in your head because your preparation has been run to someone with your doubt during the year. So obviously you will not have the skill or the navigating power to get to the right answer in those situations. I always talk about the fact that if I take the CAT exam, and this is true for all other exams, the differential between 80-85 percentiler to a 99 percentiler is just around 7, 8, 10 questions. So 10 question में अगर तुम doubt resolution mechanism build किए होते during your preparation, and 85 percentile, 80-85 percentile would have converted to 99. Unfortunately, most students will not listen to this advice, and what they'll do is they'll keep running after doubts. कि मेरे को doubt है 12 बजे रात को मैं किसी के पास चला जाऊँ वो बता दे मेरे को. And at Mindworks we have a very clear focus, very clear strategy. We tell our students right at the start that we want you to live with your doubts because that is the only way. Strengthen your doubt resolution mechanism. That's the only friend inside the exam. I hope this video resonates with you, and you can actually make the required changes to your preparation strategy when you listen to this and start to live with your doubts. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.